Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 5. This is your maths lecture. Unit number 1 and the topic is numbers and arithmetic operation. Student, today we will solve page number 21 and exercise number 1D. Question number 7. And the question number 7 is use the mass rule and simplify these. Question number 7. Student, question number 7 and part C. Today we will solve part C, that is 121 divided by 11 plus 5 multiplied by 20. Student, today we will solve this question according to the mass rule. First we will write solution, then we will solve the question, that is 121 divided by 11 plus 5 multiplied by 20. As you can see in this question there is 3 operations, that is division, addition and multiplication. According to the mass rule, first we will solve division, that is 121 divided by 11. 11 1 is 11. 2 minus 1 is equal 1. Next digit is 1. 11 1 is 11. So the answer is 121 divided by 11 is 11 plus 5 multiplied by 20. Now addition and multiplication. First we will solve multiplication, that is 5 multiplied by 20. 20 multiplied by 5. 5 0 0. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. That is 100. Now we will add 100 plus 11. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 1. So student, the answer of part C is 111. That is the answer. Understand student? Okay. Now part E, and the value of part E is 84 divided by 12 multiplied by 6 minus 6. First we will write solution, then we will solve the question, that is 84 divided by 12 multiplied by 6 minus 6. We will solve according to D mass. I have already told you D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Okay. In this question there is 3 operation, that is division, multiplication and subtraction. So student, according to the mass, first we will solve division. That is division. 84 divided by 12. 12 1 is 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. 12 5s are 60. And 12 7s are 84. 7 multiplied by 6 minus 6. Now multiplication and subtraction. First we will solve multiplication. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 24. 7 6 are, yes student, 7 6 are 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 36, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42. 42 minus 6. Now student, 42 minus 6. First we will take carry. From 4 make 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Here is 3. So student, the answer of part E is 36. Understand? Very interesting question, student. Now question number 8. And question number 8 is, think carefully then simplify. And part A. The value of part A is 18 plus 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 minus 9. Student, this question we will solve according to DMAS. Okay. 18 plus 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 minus 9. According to the mass, first we will solve. Yes student, first we will solve division, that is 6 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Good. Minus 9. Now 3 operation, that is addition, multiplication and subtraction. First we will solve multiplication, that is 4 plus 4 multiplied by 3. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 minus 9. Now first we will solve addition, that is 18 plus 12, 8 9 10. 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 30 minus 9. Now we will subtract. First we will take carry. Take 10, 10 minus 9, 1. Here is 2. Here is 2. So the answer of part A is 21. And the answer of part A is 21. Understand student? Now part D. And the value of part D is 45 divided by 5 5 plus 7 multiplied by 11 minus 20. Here we will solve according to DMAS. According to DMAS rule. Okay. Now in this question there is 4 operations, that is division, addition, multiplication and subtraction. First we will solve division, that is 45 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. Understand? Plus 7, plus 7 multiplied by 11 minus 20. Now the next step is multiplication. 9 plus 7, 7. 11 1 is 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. 11 4s are 44. 11 5s are 55. 11 6s are 66. 11 7s are 76. 7 minus 20. Now we have two operations, that is addition and subtraction. First we will solve addition, that is 77 plus 9, 9 plus 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. That is 86 minus 20. Now we will subtract 20. 6 minus 0, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. So student, the correct answer is 66. And the answer of part D is 66. Understand? Now student, question number 9. And question number 9 is, copy and complete these. Work out the operations inside the bracket first. Student, first we will solve the value which is right in bracket. And the part C, the value of part C is 8 multiply round bracket 12 plus 16 bracket close 8 multiplied by, in bracket there is addition, that is 12 plus 16, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. Now 28. The next step is multiplication, that is 28 multiplied by 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8 are 64. 6 carry. 8 2s are 16. 16. Yes student. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So the answer of part C is 224. That is the answer of part C. Understand student? Now part B, and the value of part B is round bracket 9 plus 22 bracket close multiplied by 4. First we will solve the bracket, that is 22 plus 9, 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 31 multiplied by 4. Now in this step we will solve the multiplication, that is 31 multiplied by 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So the answer of part B is 124. Yes student, I hope you understand the lecture. If you have any problem in any question student, you can ask me in question answer session. Now note down your home task, that is practice question number 7 to question number 9. Student, you solve all parts of question number 7 to question number 9 on your register, page number 21 and exercise number 1D. Okay student, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe.